Ruby and
Ruby
the
and the
Sitikibonake placed. I'm not sure if what is. Can you please fix kabini apha endlebeni yam ukanti imizuzu masiyenze beyi-21 ngoku ibethile intsimbi ka-11 o'clock sincokola noSisanda Siqithi yena ke ngugqirha wabantwana. She is based in Queenstown. Ndiyabona ke into yobana ke phaa ke ekomane basasilungisela so that we can start the conversation yethu ngendlela strong and ayobana simasenze ngolo
Feeding. First steps. We've got all the baby talk you need. Let's grow together with Babies 101.
Today we are joined by an incredible medical professional making a real difference in children's health care. Singokola no Dr. Sisanda Siqithi, ngugqirha wabantwana, who has just launched her own private practice called the Pediatric Wellness Center. This is a major step, a dedicated space focused entirely on children's health development and overall well-being right here in our community. Today she joins us to share her journey, the vision behind this center, and how it will serve families in Queenstown and surrounding areas. Doc, good morning, and thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, Tuma, and good morning to the listeners of Ivukani FM. I'm so excited to be here.
And Goskakolo, you look so very much beautiful. Doc, quickly, Nje, can you please tell us about yourself and what inspired you to start private what is it le wellness center yabantwana?
Thank you for this. Mna ndingusisanda Siqithi. I'm a pediatrician. Ndingowasemqanduli eLowangqungqu. I'm a second born of siblings as a 5. I'm born to a retired teacher and a retired prison warder who used to be a nurse in the prison. So yeah, there is that medical or clinic background empilweni yam. Then I would like to start with why I became a doctor.
Yeah.
I'd like to say, yes, I never imagined myself as a doctor in the first place. I wanted to be a fashion designer and a textile designer. So I would weave my own fabric and make my own clothes and sell to the people. But my parents, guided me to medicine. And then they wanted me to be a doctor. Because kula generation yethu. So I was like, okay, mandenze lento ndixelele ekhaya. And then I became a doctor at Walter Sisulu University. I started when it was the University of Transkei, and I finished when it was Walter Sisulu University. Now, becoming a pediatrician, I think pediatrics chose me. I didn't choose pediatrics because remember I had said I wanted to do fashion. And then now, I thought maybe I'll be a surgeon, ndithunga abantu, ndibenze bahle, nezititshi ezihle. But then IPIDS chose me because I remember when I was doing internship in 2009, pediatrics was the only department that applauded me. What are you doing so well? And I'm like, because internship was very, very challenging. So Dr. Harper there, I think he did put a seed to say, you've done so well in pediatrics. So when I went for my ComServe eMadzikane kaZulu, ndaqoma ndizathela le nto indenza happy bekuthiwe ndiyenza kakuhle andivele ndiye kwi-pediatric ward. Then I ran the pediatric ward. That was 2010. So ndithe ndiselapho ke ndisarana this pediatric ward ndilayeza with Nelson Mandela consultancies aziphayana. The late Prof Nazo, may his soul rest in peace, wathi Dr. Siqithi, you're so good with kids and I am offering you a reg post. Yiza apha eMthatha uzawuqala uzawufunda i-pediatrics. So that is how I was found by pediatrics.
All right. Mhlambi doc nje kuba ngoku sizoncokola kakhulu nge-Pediatric Wellness Center le uyivulileyo apha eKomani. Zeziphi inkonzo ezifumaneka apha e-Wellness Center? If mhlambi ndinomntana ngiqobana unefiva mana mntana kuzawuqala iwinter ngoku so abantwana bazawugula kakhulu. Zeziphi mhlambi i-services enizi-offerishayo e-Pediatric Wellness Center?
Wellness Center, there's a lot that we offer. First of all, we see babies from birth to adolescent, and then from there we do wellness check-ups. Even if the baby is not sick, we just do the wellness check-ups, and then we also do the development. And I know that our people, they don't dwell much on how the baby is developing, so development, and then to the general pediatric diseases, we do take care of those diseases, and then immunization, not yet. I think we will refer, because maybe in the near future we will immunize babies as well. And then we do also liaise with pediatric specialists for those cases that we need expect opinions on, like pediatric neurology, pediatric cardiology, geneticists, and pediatric endocrinology. So those are and pediatric surgery cases as well. And also we have a special interest in assessing and managing patients with autistic spectrum disorder and ADHD.
No doctor. Khumbuleke mphulaphula sincokola no Dr. Sisanda Siqithi. Enoch Mgijima Local Municipality. Namhlanje ke uzosixelela banzi nge-Pediatric Wellness Center ayivulileyo pha ke eKomani eQueenstown. Doc, I'm not sure if uyandiva na besiqhawukile siye sakushiyeka nawe ethubeni. I'm not sure if you can hear me now.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yes, ungaqhubeka ke Doc.
Siphele phi? Choma.
Yeah, okay, fine. It's fine. Akho ngaki. Busacacisa into yobana zeziphi mhlawumbi izinto enizenzayo and enizawuzenza eziba ixesha nihamba. Say understand into yobana xa mos into isaqala, you start with izinto ezimbalwa, then eziba ixesha lihamba uye usongeza. Ubucacisa nje lonto leyo. Mhlawumbi kumuntu ofuna uyazi doc bana nindawoni apha eKomani and nivula ngabana amaxesha mhlawumbi in terms of into yobana aba bakulolo amachankura consultation, how much does it cost to consult?
Okay, apho sikhona sise 59 Grey Street apha eKomani. Apho kwakhona uDr. Qhina, i-pediatrician ebikhona.
Okay.
And then mainly I see patients in the afternoons, because in my mornings I'm with Frontier Hospital.
Okay.
So yes, you can make a booking, you can call. I think we will leave the numbers. And there's a WhatsApp as well, where you can call and book your afternoon appointment. Yes. E-consultation, it's e-walk-ins, it's 100, it's 850 for cash patients, and then medical aid patients, they get to be billed as such. So yeah, that is where we are at.
All right. Mhlambi amazwi nje akho okugqibela doc ofuna uwagqithisa. I just want to go back a little bit. Ndifumanisile into yobana you also work with other radio stations where you are doing education about izinto ezininzi ezahlukeneyo eziyamane nabantwana. Ndiyafuna nje just ukusixelela bana yaqala njani lonto leyo mhlambi.
Thank you. Yes, I'm big on radio,
Very much big.
educational talks. Thank you for
Yeah.
asking me that. So, how it started, I think back 2020, I was in a gathering. I was giving the word of encouragement. 2020 was really trying to the whole nations, in fact, the whole world. So, as I was giving that word of encouragement, Reverend Nxeke, owayekwizwi Themba, wathi ndiyafuna lo sisi aze kwinkqubo yam ereyidweni azomotiveyitha abaphulaphuli bam. Then I went there, but as the clip was playing, Dr. Tebelele found the clip and said, hey, this is the person that we need apha ukuthetha ngezinto educational talks, the health.
Yeah.
And then he submitted la clip to SABC. Sis Toz was very excited. And then we started the first topic. I remember it was 2021. We did hemophilia in children. Then the rest is history. And then there was a time where Dr. Nomlindo Makubalo waye yena wongamela iPs ne apha ekwi-province. So when she was not well with, and then I think she heard about my clips, then she said I must just represent the Department of Health. So that is how I then had to come and do these educational talks for Umhlobo Wenene FM, True FM, ne Community Radio.
And I saw that today you were doing an interview with a friend of mine. Doc, quickly nje, let's just remind umphulaphuli contact details and consultations, amaxesha okwenza consultations and nindawoni then siva.
Enkosi kakhulu apha ke ngoku Queenstown thina sise Grey Street sise number 59. We have our contacts here. Can I just share them, or
Yes,
should I
please.
just leave them with you?
You can share them and you will leave them later.
All right, we've got our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is, let me just, I don't know it by heart. Ne?
All right, no problem.
It's our WhatsApp number, it's 075-201-2063, and then the other one is 045-108-9052. That's the number. And then if you want to send an email, it's drsikriti@mcrc.org.za. So those are our contacts. And then we do bookings. You can call or you can WhatsApp or you can email, and then you will then get your afternoon slot.
All right. Temos, cash, it's 850. Then you also take medical aid.
So I take medical aids.
All right.
And I assess patients for ADHD and as well as autistic spectrum disorder. I have a special interest there.
Yeah. All right. No problem, Doc. Do you have any closing remarks before Siva?
Before Sivale, I want to say kubantu base Chris Hani, Enoch Gijima, even the northern part of Eastern Cape, that Dr. Skriti is here to take care of abantwana, and also I'm big in awarenesses in terms of diseases as bonakala ngathi zire okanye zenza abantwana babe bachwethelwa emacaleni. I've been created by the Eastern Cape, the likes of the late Prof. Pepeta and the late Prof. Nazo, as well as abanye abasekhona ngoku. So I'm from the Eastern Cape for the Eastern Cape, and I'm not going anywhere.
Yes, kakhulu Doc. Thank you so very much. Nathi siyabulela. Ube nemini mandi wethu Doc, siyabulela kakhulu.
Enkosi kakhulu.
What?